Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an Expedia account. So first we're going to go to our Expedia app. Then here they're going to ask us to fill our email. So once we write our email, we're going to click on continue. Then next they're going to send a 6-digit code to our email. So we're going to insert that here. So next we're going to click on get started. Here they're going to ask us to write our first name and last name. So once we do that, we're going to click on continue. Then they're going to ask us to set the password. So as you can see, the password must include the following things, the following requirements. Then once you're done, you're going to click on create password. Then here, they're going to insert your phone number if you want to. If not, you can click on skip now. So as you can see, this is how we create our account. It's an easy process. By clicking on the account section, you can see your account. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.